guys, Sahara here. Today I have a lighting review for you guys. These are some of the cheapest lights you can find on Amazon. I paid, I think, $55 Canadian for a set of 2. They came in this little box here. So I recorded a first impression video unboxing all of it, trying to figure it all out. So hopefully it will help you guys make a decision when it comes to purchasing lighting, because it can be quite an investment. These are called the Neewer or the Neewer 2-pack dimmable LED lights. On Amazon they had over 1,000 views with an average of 4 out of 5 stars. To me that sounds pretty good. It is going to look a little different when we switch into the unboxing and figuring out how to use them. And if somebody knows how to pronounce this, please leave it in the comments below, because I still don't know if it's Neewer or Newer. Alright, so this is the packaging that it comes in, and I've got to say that the shipping was super fast. Lately, the 2-day Prime shipping has not been 2-day Prime shipping, but this was here in like a day and a half. Also, right now I don't have any lights on except for the one that's on my ceiling, which is like 2 light bulbs and it's not very bright. We're gonna set these up actually and see the difference. The box is super small. Okay, these are super small. So opening it up, this is the first thing that you see. And so we've got one light here, another light here. Looks like a little control there. Filter cards, a yellow, red, and blue. We have little tripod legs, the actual body of the tripod. I don't know what these are. Oh, little mounts for the lights. So that is all it comes with. It looks pretty easy to put together. I think it has some instructions here. I hope it has some instructions here. So, oh, it's a selfie stick. Why on earth would I need a selfie stick? Maybe these are instructions. They don't really seem that big, so I think I can just sit here, kind of put them together. Maybe this is simple enough that you don't need instructions. In that case, that's great. These are the legs. Pretty sure you can just put the light part directly on this if you just want it to be like on a tabletop or something, or somewhere lower. Or you can attach it to this. Yeah. Alright. Don't judge me for how I'm putting this together. It's as high as it gets. Right off the bat, these aren't that high. Like, this is on the ground right now. So it's okay for people who are going to be sitting, I guess. But if someone is standing, you're going to need to put the tripod on top of something higher. Oh well. And I'm not sure what this little thing is. It looks like a mount. This goes on top of here. These are what the lights are. Underneath you can see that there's just a bunch of different lights, I guess. And then this acts as like a little diffuser. The cool thing about this is that it's a USB, so you can pretty much take these lights wherever you want. If you have a power bank, you can just stick it into the power bank and use lights in the middle of nowhere. Oh no, it's already shrinking. So far, I'm getting what I paid for. Oh, that's another thing. If you don't have a plug, you're going to need a charging cube, something that you plug it into the wall with. The cord is heavier than the actual light. It'll fall over. Alright, don't blind me. The little remote here lit up. Cool. I think it's on all the way. Then you can put it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the other one of this, and then I'm going to face them both towards me, and then we're going to see if there's a difference in the video, if there's weird shadows. Alright, so apparently the first setting is just 10% of the light, and that is what it is on right now. It only has about 6 different levels of light, so I'm just going to show you what the levels of light are. So this is the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, sixth level, and it doesn't quite seem to go up any higher from there. This is what it looks like with both of the lights on. I have one in that corner and one in that, probably 1.5 meters away from my face. I think you can tell a pretty big difference, especially if you're going from literally no lights except the one on your ceiling to lights. I'm gonna put that away. It comes with these light filters, so you can have like a yellowy color, red if you want to, you know, create a demonic scene. I'm personally not going to use any of these. I just want a nice crisp white light that makes my videos brighter. I'm gonna watch the video back and see the difference, and you guys will be able to see the difference as well. So you guys can tell that the lights are not bad. For the price, they are absolutely not bad. They create kind of an unwanted shadow behind me just because where the source of the light is so small and concentrated, it really needs something like an umbrella or like a big sheet of paper almost to diffuse the light evenly around my face and around all the objects. Otherwise, you're just gonna have that annoying shadow behind you. If you notice right here on this, it's like a calendar and it's kind of glossy, you get quite a bit of a glare from the lights as well, just because they are such a small and concentrated light. So, are these lights worth what they were? For the $50 to $60, I'm gonna say yes. They're worth it because they're portable. You can easily detach the top of the light and attach it to something else like a wall, or get somebody to hold it if you want to do that. You can bring it around wherever because of that USB, and they're super light and compact. For an actual like video setup that you want to be long-term and permanent, I would save up until you could invest in some actual studio lights. These are pretty good. They're better than having no lights. They're really bright and they're LED. They're not going to consume that much energy. They don't really heat up either, so when you're filming and it gets hot, you don't really have to worry about that with these lights. I can definitely see why these have such a high rating on Amazon because of the price, and you get a good light source. So if you're looking on getting like a starter lighting setup, I would definitely recommend these. I will leave a link to the lights below so you guys can easily find them. So this wraps up this video, and I hope it was a little helpful. If you guys have suggestions for beginners who want to up their lighting game in their videos or even their photography, definitely leave that down below. I'm sure everyone wants to hear cheaper alternatives to spending the big bucks right away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.